I've got the scoop on Amazon's coolest car gadgets for 2025 that you won't find anywhere else. From smart sensors to futuristic lights, let's dive into the top. Hit play and join me. Zetam 600D car windshield cover emerges as a robust vehicle windshield protector. It comprises a single panel crafted from premium 600D Oxford cloth with a PU coating. The cover is secured using quick-release buckles and side mirror flaps for firm attachment. It is installed by draping over the windshield and fastening straps holding steady against wind. Application is intuitive, managed by aligning and buckling in minutes. The panel maintains a compact 70/50 profile unobtrusive when stored. Its waterproof, breathable fabric shields against snow, hail, frost, rain, dust, and UV rays with mirror covers for clarity. The protection range spans sedans, SUVs, trucks, vans, and MPVs, fitting most brands excluding tow mirror models. The cover includes a soft cleaning cloth, resisting fading for years. Oster hanging trunk organizer emerges as a sleek backseat storage solution. It comprises a single panel crafted from 600D Oxford cloth with reinforced stitching. The organizer is secured using 3 adjustable straps and hook loop fasteners for firm attachment. It is installed by fastening straps around headrests and sticking to the seat back, staying stable during drives. Operation is intuitive, managed by filling 6 varied pockets, including mesh and clear PVC. The panel maintains a compact profile, unobtrusive behind seats. Its spacious compartments hold detailing supplies, first aid kits, and grocery bags, keeping the trunk floor free. The storage range spans SUVs, MPVs, and vans with suspension headrests, foldable for easy removal. Spta detailing. Clay bar emerges as a refined vehicle surface cleaner. It comprises 3 clay bars crafted from high-quality pliable clay material. The bars are prepared by soaking in water for smooth application. They are applied by rubbing gently over clean exterior surfaces with water or car wash fluid, adhering to contaminants effectively. Operation is intuitive, managed by kneading and gliding across surfaces. Each bar maintains a compact profile, unobtrusive during use. Its smooth texture removes small particles from lacquer glass and chrome, leaving a silky finish. The cleaning range spans car exteriors and other coated surfaces, reusable after natural drying and storage in plastic wrap. The set suits automotive detailing, ensuring cleaner results. Scissor Jack Apex Tire Inflator emerges as a versatile inflation powerhouse. It comprises a compact unit powered by a 3600 mAh battery with a proprietary cooling system. The inflator is equipped with an 18.11-inch anti-scalding hose and multiple adapters for precise application. It is operated by attaching the hose to tires or devices, maintaining stability during use. Control is intuitive, managed via one-click selection of 4 preset modes and 3 units. The unit maintains a sleek profile, unobtrusive in storage. Its jet inflate system achieves 2833 psi in 56 seconds, with 1 psi accuracy, supported by a 40-minute battery life. The inflation range spans tires up to 31.8 inches, plus a 2-mode LED light, USB power bank, and brad nailer compressor, fitting cars, bikes, and tools. ADAS 4K dash camera emerges as a cutting-edge driving safety solution. It comprises a dual camera system featuring a 4K UHD front camera with WDR and a rear camera. The unit is powered via a car's 12V socket equipped with a 32GB TF card and external GPS for data storage. It is mounted on the rear view mirror, securing firmly during drives. Operation is intuitive, managed through voice commands or a touchscreen interface. The camera maintains a sleek profile, unobtrusive in the cabin. Its ADOS technology offers 5 alerts, including collision and lane departure warnings, while BSD monitors blind spots. The recording range spans road signs, plates, and routes with Loop G sensor and time-lapse modes, plus 24-hour parking monitoring via a hardwire kit. The system fits most vehicles, enhancing safety. 3-ton Scissor Jack kit emerges as a robust vehicle emergency tool. It comprises a scissor jack crafted from corrosion-resistant high-quality steel, paired with a ratchet wrench, lug wrench gloves, and storage bag. The kit is powered by manual cranking for reliable lifting. It is deployed by positioning under the vehicle chassis, securing firmly during use. Operation is intuitive, managed via the ratchet wrench and lug wrench for lifting and tire changes. The Jack maintains a compact profile, unobtrusive in trunks or back seats. It lifts up to 3 tons from 4.1 to 17.3, suitable for sedans and SUVs. The lifting range spans low chassis to high-body vehicles, ideal for roadside tire replacements. The kit fits most sedans, SUVs, and MPVs, ensuring versatile emergency repairs. Orion Motortech adjustable trailer hitch is presented as a durable towing accessory. It consists of a dual-ball mount crafted from solid steel and aerospace-grade aluminum. The hitch is fitted with locking pins for secure attachment. It is mounted by inserting into 2-inch receivers, remaining stable during towing. Control is simple and operated via a sliding mechanism for height adjustment. Each hitch has a compact profile, unobtrusive on vehicles. The dual balls, 2.5/16 for 12,500 lbs and 2 for 8,000 lbs, offer versatile towing. The adjustment range spans 6-inch drop or rise, ensuring precise alignment. The hitch fits Class 3 and IV vehicles, including trucks and SUVs, with long and short pins included. Zento Deals. Parking mat emerges as a precise vehicle parking aid. It comprises a single mat crafted from durable rubberized plastic material. The mat is prepared by aligning on the garage floor for secure placement. It is applied by pressing firmly with anti-skid tape, adhering to the surface effectively. Operation is intuitive, managed by driving over 2 tire bumps for guidance. Each mat maintains a compact profile, unobtrusive during use. Its reflective texture ensures visibility and contains moisture with a drip tray. The parking range spans sedans, trucks, minivans, and RVs, leaving a tidy garage. The mat suits most passenger vehicles, reusable with proper alignment, available in black, yellow, or red. Pickup truck body LED strip lighting emerges as a brilliant cargo illumination solution. It comprises modular strips crafted from high-intensity LED beads. The strips are connected with a durable 2-inch 21 FT wire for secure installation. They are applied by mounting with adhesive tape or screws, adhering firmly despite vehicle vibrations. Operation is intuitive, managed by a button near the driver's seat. Each strip maintains a slim profile, unobtrusive in the truck bed. Its cool white LEDs offer standard and bright modes, illuminating cargo clearly. The lighting range spans truck beds and trailers with a 100-degree angle for visibility. The system suits pickups, powered by the car battery with quick connect. IWEY IK7 car stereo emerges as an advanced in-car connectivity solution. It comprises a 10-inch touchscreen display crafted from high-resolution 1600 to 600 panels. The system is equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 4K dash cam for seamless integration. It is installed by mounting on the dashboard or windshield using 3M adhesive or suction cup, remaining stable during drives. Operation is intuitive, managed by touch-sensitive controls and voice commands via Siri or Google Assistant. The unit maintains a compact profile, unobtrusive in vehicle cabins. Its 1080p backup camera and AirPlay Miracast mirroring enhance safety and entertainment. The connectivity range spans cars, trucks, and SUVs with Wi-Fi for footage sharing and a 64 GB card. Armor Allcar Wipes Multi-Pack emerges as a comprehensive vehicle cleaning solution. It comprises 3 30-pack canisters crafted from specialized wipe materials. The set includes cleaning wipes, protectant wipes, and glass wipes housed in resealable packages for freshness. It is applied by wiping over car surfaces, adhering effectively to dirt and grime. Operation is intuitive, managed by selecting the appropriate wipe for each task. Each canister maintains a compact profile, unobtrusive in storage. Its formulated wipes lift dirt, protect against UV rays, and remove filmy residue, ensuring a polished finish. The cleaning range spans interior surfaces, exterior glass, and delicate finishes with streak-free results. The pack suits all vehicles, enhancing appearance and longevity.